Hello all. So today we are going to see multiplication of two-digit numbers using Vedic Maths. So there is a method that we have studied in school, and let's see how to do it using that method first, and then we'll see how to do multiplication of two-digit numbers using Vedic Maths. So let's say that we have 36 and I want to multiply it with 23. So let's see how we used to do in school. 36 is on the top, 23 on the bottom, and then we start multiplying. 6 is 18, 1 carry, 6 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Then I put a cross here. I multiply 2 and 6, that becomes 12. 2 here and 1 again carry. So 2, 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer becomes 8, 2 and 8. So that is our answer based upon our school method. But now let's say that I don't want to use this method. I want to write the answer directly. So that is also possible. Let's see how to do it using Vedic Maths. So I have 36. I want to multiply with 23. Right? Now I am going to do this calculation in these three easy steps. So these dots that you see, these are the representation of the numbers 3, 6, 2 and 3. So this is the first step that I am going to do. This is the second step and this is the third step. So for the first step, I am going to multiply the numbers on the right hand side. For the second step, I am going to multiply the numbers which are cross and I am going to add them as well. For the last step, I am going to multiply the numbers in the left hand side only. Okay. So let's see. This first step is I am going to multiply the numbers on the right hand side, which becomes 6 into 3, which is 18. So I'll put 8 here and 1 carry. The next part is that I'm going to multiply the cross numbers. That becomes 3 into 3 plus 6 into 2. So this becomes 9. 9 plus 12 is 21. 21 and this 1 is carry. So it becomes 22. Now the last part is multiplying of the numbers on the left hand side. So that will be 3 into 2 here because these are numbers, right? So it becomes 6 and I add this 2 as a because this was carry, so it becomes 6 plus 2 is 8. So answer is 8 to 8. So if you see, we have done the same thing. We have if you see even here as well, we have got 18 here and we got the same 18 here as well. We took 1 as carry. The second part was we got 21 and we added 1 as a carryover, which becomes again 2. So again the same thing here. And for the last part as well, we got 8. So the method is quite similar, but you don't have to follow this whole thing and do the calculation, show it and then write the answer. We can use these three steps and get the answer. So let's do one more question together. So let's say I have 34. I want to multiply it with 22. Okay. So first step was that we multiply the right hand part, so it becomes 4 2s are 8. The second part was cross multiplication, so 3 into 2 is 6 plus 2 into 4 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. I'll put 4 here, 1 carry. The last part was that we are going to multiply the numbers on the left hand side, so that becomes 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is 748. So you just now saw that how we did this whole multiplication in our mind and we got write the answers directly. Otherwise you would have to do this whole multiplication in the long method as we used to do in school. So if you want, we can do one more. Let's say that I want to multiply 73 into 52. Okay, so the first part was that we are going to multiply the numbers on the left hand side, so 2 3 is 6. The next part was we are going to cross multiply. 7 2 is 14. Let me write it down here. 5 3 is 15. 14 plus 15 is 29. I'll write 9 here, 2 carry. The last part was we are going to multiply these two together. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. 3796. Oh, and that is our answer. So you can use this method wherever you have to multiply two-digit numbers. So I hope you understood the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.